All right then, Year 12. The last piece of advice I want to give you is to do with these key terms. Now, those of you that I teach directly have heard this I don't know how many times. Key terms are essential in this paper and in every paper. To begin with, this is the list of key terms that you would need to know in order to access the questions. Deposition, retreat, prevailing wind use, static, sediment cell systems, GIS, accuracy, reliability, primary methods, secondary data, and physical processes are all words that if you couldn't define, then you can't do those questions. It shows very clearly those of you who are learning your key terms because you are addressing the questions correctly versus those of you who are not. Written in black there are the different instruction words used on this paper. They each have a meaning as well that you need to understand. They tell you how to answer the question. When we come on then to thinking about the questions that should have appeared in your answers specifically, here we have, let me just try and zoom this correctly. Here we have the extensive list, I got them all in, the extensive list of the questions that you should have used in your answers. All of these words I've taken from the mark scheme. So when the examiner sees them, he's mentally ticking off in his mind that you have covered the right kind of words. Now, it's not necessarily that you're not going to get a mark for not using this word, but by using these words, you're going to be registering higher up on the mark scheme because you look and you sound like a geographer. There's no question as to whether you're making the right point or not because the words are there telling him that you are. These questions come from all the different questions on the exam. These key terms come from all the different questions on the exam paper. See if you can pause the video and identify for which question each one of these key words I would have put into my answers.